Hello everyone. Today we're going to make a review on CCTV, HIKVISION. The reason is nowadays security is a big issue, and mostly everybody would like to fit their security system in their house, different properties for many reasons. And obviously nobody would like to get nowadays proper company who installs CCTV stuff because it's very expensive, and because of China, it's very easy to buy the equipment, which is very cheap from online. And if they would know how to install it, then it would be easier and more efficient and more cheaper. So let's open it and find out. And this is, by the way, HIKVISION 7200 series. As you can see here, 7200 series. The good thing with this, as you can see, the cable, okay, this time the cable they use is really better than before, because before the cable what they used to use, it was very skinny and very easy to get broken inside. So let's say when you pull the cable through the holes and stuff, sometimes because of too much pressure it get broken inside, so you don't get right signal, and because of not right signal, obviously you lose the pixels. So first of all, 20 meters it comes. Okay, really nice packaging from online. I got it from online, this one, and that's the one. What else I got? Camera. I ordered 4 of them, and I want to install it in a business premises. So that's the one, HIKVISION Turbo HD DVR 7200 series. It's 5 megapixel camera, and obviously it has 8 channel and 264 videos, okay, and full HD, that one. And the camera, if you see, it's this is 5 megapixel Ultra HD and IP66 waterproof. So it means if you leave it outside, outdoor, even if you can come closer to the things, please. This one, if you leave it even outside, the water doesn't damage it. Example, bad weather and stuff, mostly in UK, all the time raining, you know. So let's check the interface, how it looks. Yeah. And obviously after we install, we'll get the video footage from it and upload it, so you can see like how clear it is. Okay, it's very compact size, not bulky like before. Before it was like that much big. Now it's very compact size and smaller. Okay, so yes, it seems this fine, and yeah, the lens also is quite bright and nice. Okay, so that's the camera, 5 megapixel Ultra HD and smart IR capacity in there, and 4-in-1 output technology. So we'll see what is. So the good thing with this camera is the fittings interface is very easy. Okay, let's open up. Before, the cheap camera used to just, you need to rotate it like a screw to loose or tight it, but this one is different. Okay, by the way, let me show you some extra features. Okay, so ordinary camera comes 2 connection, which is one for video, another one is power. But that one, the good thing is you can change the video settings here. Okay, video output settings. Okay, so if you open up, there is a screw. If you press and hold for 5 seconds, you can change it. Okay, so the rotation is 4 different rotation. CBBS to, you can change it to TBI, AHD and CBI. So you can change all of them. Okay, what you need to do, you need to press and hold 5 seconds. Okay, and once it's done, then there is a security cap here. But anyway, the second thing with this camera, before we used to twist it, but this one, there is a screw they put it, which is, I call the chalk screw. You just open it up, loose it. Okay, once it loosen, what you need to do, you just need to pull it. Once you pull, the lock would be released and you can open up. Okay, then once you fit it back, then you don't have to just, what you need to do, 1 second. Okay, okay, push it back again, hold it firmly, and then tighten the screw. Let's check. Okay, now it's nice and firm and it's fitted already. Okay, and the size also, as I mentioned before, is compact, and the gamma laser light are invisible, you can see. Okay, it's actually brilliant, and the cable is quite thicker than before, so I liked it overall, and it's 5 megapixel, which is good enough. Okay, this one, if you leave it even outside, the water doesn't damage it. Example, bad weather and stuff, mostly in UK, all the time raining, you know. So let's check the interface, how it looks. Yeah. And obviously after we install, we'll get the video footage from it and upload it, so you can see like how clear it is. Okay, it's very compact size, not bulky like before. Before it was like that much big. Now it's very compact size and smaller. Okay, so yes, it seems this fine, and yeah, the lens also is quite bright and nice. Okay, so that's the camera, 5 megapixel ultra HD and smart IR capacity in there, and 4-in-1 output technology. So we'll see what is 4-in-1 output technology. And now if you open up the DVR, we're gonna check how it looks. Wow, that's great. Obviously the power cord, the data cable, and the adapter. You can see, sorry for the low light. Okay, and obviously the mouse also the supply, and that is the one, another adapter. One of them is bigger, another one for smaller. So this one goes directly to the DVR to power up, and this one for the camera. So the difference is now in here, as you can see, one of them smaller, another one bigger, both of them 12 volt. Now what is the difference is, before the ordinary CCTV system, what you used to buy from online, they used to supply same one. Okay, even they used to mark here like this is for camera, this is for DVR, but the difference is this is little bit higher voltage, and once you use it, obviously because of inside the hard drive is gonna run, and then a lot of function does work in here like a CPU. So obviously you need little bit extra stronger power supply for it. And this one smaller, the reason is it's only power up the cameras. Okay, so let's open up the DVR and check. Doroto? So, by the way, there is booklet also. If you get stuck, you can see. And that's the professional box. Okay, 8 channel. USB 3.0, that is also another good reason for, obviously for 3.0 USB thumb drive or flash drive. Then HDMI, at the same time VGA, so if you want to transfer sound and stuff, both. Yeah, HDMI for better picture, VGA if you have old-fashioned monitor, and at the same time you can do audio in and out. So let's say if you want to install the audio system, you can plug it in so it does record and make combination with the video. And power button and 12 volt power connector. So this power connector not like before, like 3.5 mm jack, similar to that, that is with the 4 holes. Okay, so that's all for today. And at the front it's showing a nice and sleek design. One of them the network indicator light in here, then another one is for hard drive indicator, and the power one, and USB at the front also. So it's quite silk and nice also. At the same time, they install a fan in here, cooling fan. So overall, this is great. So what are you gonna do? We're gonna close the video, we're gonna pause it, and after we finish the installation in this property, we'll bring it back to you. We'll show you how nice, clear and good it is. So it would help you to get you a decision you're going to buy this product or not. By the way, we are not advertising anything, no commercials. This is our private and personal. Okay, so stay with us. Let's see how the video is after I install it. Okay, until then, thank you so much. Bye for now.